Hello, dear creatives. Welcome to SimSwat Online Flower class. My name is Oluyinka Oduwabi. In this tutorial, you were, if you have not watched when I ironed this triangle, I would love you to please go and watch the previous ironing of this triangle. So in this class now, I'm going to show you how I'm going to make a flower from this particular ironed triangle. What are we using? What are we needing? We're going to need our pins, scissors, air clip, either air clip or air band. We'll decide then. Your needle and thread, then your lighter. You can either use your lighter or I have a perfumed candle light. And for the base, I used, this one is the from thread. It's measurement. It's a thread container, and the measurement is 5. So I used it to circle this particular one that I'll be using for the base. So, and I'm going to be using this particular accessory. So what are we to do? This measurement in the last video was 10 centimeter by 10 centimeter, So what are we first of all going to do? I will like to trim off all these the extras. I will trim it off. I would like to trim it off first. So trim off all the, it's better you trim it off neatly so that at the end of the day, you have a finished and neat work. If this is your first time of joining us in this online class, you're highly welcome. This is SimSwat's online class tutorial on flower making, and I promise you that you won't regret subscribing to my channel, or you won't regret following me, and you won't regret also giving me a like. You won't regret giving me a like. So I love when I'm working to be having a perfume, and so this is what you do. You can either use your candle or your lighter. Don't worry, even if you don't have a perfume or a candle light stand, you can use your normal candle. So now I'm just going to burn and twist to give me a fine design actually. Twist. I'm going to use a lighter too, so for you to know that you can use virtually anything to do it. Can you see? I'm just giving it a rough edge. Just giving it a rough edge. Okay, this is this. For this one, I'm also going to use a lighter just to show you that you can use virtually anything. Can you see? So whichever one is easier for you, you use it. I just want the edges to look a bit rough. If you have, for we that here over here in UK, you can virtually get you can get any ribbon of your size that you want. So now we've given it a rough edge. So what you now do is you have your needle and thread, and this is the one I've started using. I've started using this. So I just place it like this, and you get your thread, your pin, your office pin, thread it, pin it down. So now I'm having a 5 of it. So after doing this, this is what you have. So I'm just going to start threading. I love to have a neat finishing when I have start. So you start from the down. You will have noted this. So you now start passing your thread. You will be surprised a nice flower that this thing is going to give you. Very nice flower. Very important for you to hold down the first one. Please hold it down. Then make sure you are able to see the next one. Hold it. Remove your pin and continue. Please, it's very, very important for you to hold this particular one. Very, very important. Please, also, you can remove your pin before you finish because of safety. Very important for you to hold the last one. So let me be fast now. I'm going to remove the pin for safety reasons. Look at what I'm going to do. holding it down. I'm going to remove the pin. So, so now what I'm going to do at the last stage is this. This one, I'm going to put it here so that I join it together. Remember, I started from the down. I pull. You can even do it to the last. Okay, let me do it to the last so that you won't get so confused. Good. Like this. And this is the down to the down. You know, since it's bridal satin, you won't know which one is the. We have ironed the side out. So now you tighten. Can you see? You tighten like 2-3 times. And you cut. And this is what it gives you. Can you see? This is what it gives you. Now, I didn't tell you that you will be needing your UHU. You can use either your UHU or your glue gun. The only difference is your UHU will need to take a bit of time. Remember that we told you about this? You fold into 2 equal parts and you fold again into 4. Then you give it a small notch, Then you can decide. What I do is I burn so that the rough edges won't be coming off. You can either put, you are needing this side. You are going to be needing this side. So you can either put this one across like this, which you can place here. If you like it like this, we can always use this. Or it can go on your airband, your Alice band, which will also go like this. And you pull like this, which it can go on this, like this. I don't know which one you will like best. So you're free to decide which one goes well with it. And this, or you can use the bigger, any one of this. You can use this. This is the smaller one. We have the bigger version. You can use virtually any one that you like. Do you understand now? So what I'm going to do is I did not pull too much. This one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Alice band. No, I'm going to use the air clip. I'm going to use the air clip. So let's use the air clip. I'm just trying to show you that you can use virtually any one that you like. Going to turn it like this to the other side. So the wrong side should be facing up. And what we're going to do also is this. So I'm going to just a bit, and you use this to cover that. Then we need it to get to the edges. You have to be careful so that it gives you a neat finishing. You just touch it. Please, the safety matters a lot. You have to make sure you're careful because this gum is always very hot. Then what I do also is to use this, which I've already cut. Just a bit. You have to be able to guide yourself to where you need your glue gun. Then put it like this. Then now, this is now the time for you. There are two things that you can do, especially when the hole is really too big for the accessories that you want to use. What I'm going to do now is cut a bit of the pieces and make it like a circle. Make it like a circle. Give it a small bun because the accessory I have now is too small for the O. So what I'm going to do now is give it a small and tuck it in like this. Can you see what I'm trying to do? I'm purposely doing this because at times your circle, at the end of the day, your accessory you want to use may be too small for what you want. So this is just what you need to do. And you now place it over it. And that is how you achieve this. So now you will, can you see what? The roughness will not show what you're trying to do. And this one, of course, any child, anybody, can you see? Any child, anybody, even if you don't want to use the small one, what you can also do is this. Yes, you can use this, the bigger one, because I know some people will ask me that, oh, this one is too small. So what you can also do is you can do that. Just trying to show you different ways so that they must know that you did that. I would love to see anything you have done. Please send me pictures. I will send you my on the program. You will see my WhatsApp number. You're free to send it to me, and you're also free to send it to me on this channel. Please follow me and like on Instagram. You can always also give me a thumbs up, a like, and make your comments. I hope you like what you've just done. Thank you so, so, so much. God bless you. Thank you. God bless you.